on land or water, position yourself as shown on the screen. You may use either position.
Wir gehen schneller und
In case of
schneller
evacuation, follow the
rückwärts.
illuminated escape path markings
Denn da die
in all
Piloten
your
danach
navigation. The emergency exits are identified by exit signs and are located as shown on the screen and the safety on-board car.
Wir fahren gerade rückwärts.
Your life jacket is located under your seat.
Miss.
Pull the life jacket over your head and attach the straps. Do not inflate the life jacket until you leave the
Ich
aircraft.
glaube, ich beim Zeigen abgeschnallt aus Versehen.
Pull the strap until the life jacket is properly
Mama,
adjusted.
welches Mal?
If the life jacket does not inflate or needs more air, blow through the rubber tube. The safety on board card shows the various procedures and the use and location of the safety equipment. Please study the card carefully prior to takeoff. Orders given by the crew and regulations have to be followed at all times.